Well, hello, my friends. We're going to take just a minute and I'm going to show you how to utilize Excel to find the mean and to find the standard deviation. So just bear with me, it won't take much. Here we have Excel, and in this Excel sheet you'll see we have the rows that are named and of course the columns. I'm just going to make some data up. Let's see, 8, 12, 41, 24, 9, 38, and 52. Now my goal will be to find the names or to identify the mean and the standard deviation of these things. So in order to start with the mean, I'm going to go equal and I'm going to do average. And I'm going to average from here to here, put my closing parenthesis and hit return. The average is 26.285. Now we have a problem here. In the protocols of Excel, when we have no decimals in the data, we need only one decimal more in the mean. So I'm going to format the cell. Let me format the cell. I'm going to tell it I have a number. I want one decimal place. And there we are. The average is 26.3. Now let's find the standard deviation. Equals ST. There it comes up, the standard deviation. We want this one right here. And we're going to standard deviation, all the data. Standard deviation the mean. And look, it has the same situation. So we're going to format that. And it should have, since the mean has one decimal place, it should have 2. So you see some protocols. Here are the data sets. Here is the mean. The mean has one more decimal than the data set. Here's the standard deviation, and the standard deviation has one more decimal than the mean. So I'm just going to put there so you remember that that's the mean and that's the standard deviation. All right, guys, we did a good job on that. We knocked that out pretty quickly. So you've got it down, shouldn't have much problem with it. So let me remind you in closing that you can keep climbing the ladder. You've got this. It's really not hard. You're going to let your computer do the work. Your brain is going to organize and plan and lay out and interpret. The computer is going to do the work. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a good morning.